Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 5th May 2021. So this analysis is for 5th May only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 6th May. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro GBP, and as you can see on the screen, I am using the 4 hours time frame, one of the most beloved time frame in the Forex market. Okay, even I do love the 4 hours time frame because of the stability, and I'm much more accustomed to it. Anyways, this is the chart of Euro GBP, and as you can see, after this huge buying pressure, market sideways, came down, went up again, resistance at this level, and came down again. Okay, as of now, if we just consider this, we can easily see that there's no trend present in the market. Market is kind of in a sideways. Okay, sideways, or there's no range, no proper trend in the market. Okay. Now let's switch to the full time frame and see what the higher time frame is telling us. This is the weekly time frame, and as you can see, market was in downtrend for 3 months. Market went up a little, okay, and market is facing selling pressure from above, and market is falling again, okay. And as you can see, there is a resistance at this particular level, okay, at this particular level. You see that market failed to cross this level for 4 weeks, for 1 month. For 1 month, market tried to cross this particular level, 0.8715. Market failed, and right now market is coming down, and there is no proper support as of now present in the market. Okay. We can just see that in the weekly chart, market took support at this level and market went up. That was 3 weeks ago. Okay, so from the weekly chart, we have got a strong resistance and a kind of a support, reversal point from where market reversed 3 weeks ago. Okay, now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be our strategy for 5th May. So this is the resistance level, okay, that we saw in the weekly time frame. Okay, and in the 4 hours time frame also, we can easily see that yes, whenever market was trying to cross this level, market was facing heavy selling pressure, and yes, market failed each and every time it tried to cross this level. So 0.8715, this level is extremely strong. So, and we can see that 0.8585. Okay, on the support we have got 0.8585. But in comparison to this support level, this level is much more stronger. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Okay. Considering all the factors, okay, we will be looking for buying level and opportunity level. Right now market is 0.828 level. Right now in the middle. Always you should is the market price. If you buy here, your ratio does. If you buy here, cost will be far. So either be or so you are going against the trade range. So do not anticipate the price coming. Wait for the market to come particularly. Wait for this thing. Price will reach this level. Just price. If you see that is reversed from here, then you can buy. Confirmation of objection. Once you get a confirm, yes, 0.885 is support. Okay, that is repeating. Okay, it is pro to the market. Go for a level. On the other hand, okay, on the other level, okay, this level is a different chapter. Okay, you have to wait 3 to 4 hours and just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours below and this is still very strong, then short down below this level. On the other, if market goes, then observe the price level, which is 0.17. Strong resistance for the market. When it will be reaching 0.85 again, you observe. If you see that pricing at this level, that sellers are still, and they are still not allowing the market to. This market reverse around short the market. This is level, and this is your level. Okay, in case it crosses, then in the market, but as of now, range. So wait for it to come. So do not compromise. Okay, so hopefully, so if you liked the video, found the video informative, then subscribe to our regular. So much, all the best. Take care. Bye bye.